These butter mochi looks so good. We're at the beach, it's so pretty. I am very sleepy right now. Our good bag.
Potatoes.
Sweet potato.
9 eggs.
9 eggs. Some crackers and peanut butter.
And then
Yeah. Trader Joe's peanut butter cup. Lovely.
what's up?
We're in Hawaii.
Nice clouds.
We have so much luggage. We're gonna put it in our Airbnb first. So, and then we'll get lunch, and then we're gonna head to the zoo today.
Or there's like eel spam musubis where it's like egg, eel egg spam, eel egg and cheese sauce spam. There's also avocado eel spam. What am I ordering for you?
Okay, we're getting spam musubi. Hello. Hi. Can I get an avocado eel egg spam?
Avocado eel egg spam.
And then a cheese spam?
Cheese spam.
Okay, that'll be all.
That's it, right?
Spam musubi. Annie, show yours.
We're gonna be trying the musubi here in Hawaii.
This
is
what?
Musubi
Cheese
Cafe. I don't
spam.
remember.
And
Yeah, I forgot. What it was called.
avocado,
Avocado
eel,
first.
and cheese. Wait, sorry. Avocado, eel, and egg. At the zoo. We're looking at spider monkey right now. Jennifer is intrigued. But that is really big. Oh, I thought it was alligator, but it's a type of crocodile. Crocodile. It's so big in the water. How are you feeling about the zoo so far?
Good. We're looking at an elephant right now.
Elephant.
I
It's
saw
really-
orangutans. This is good.
This is giant. Oh, it's eating leaves. It's eating leaves. Oh my god, big hippo. We need 2 hippo in the water. Cooling down.
I'm feeling satisfied right now.
What did you get?
They only have banana split, which
Ah.
I usually wouldn't like, but I'm kind of dying.
Another chicken spotted. Oh.
Oh my god.
The chicken.
Wait, I kind of love that. Come here, chicken. I want a video.
Look at the giraffe. It's so tall and beautiful.
Like you, but tall.
So funny. I don't know how compared, but
That exactly. The black rhinoceros.
it's cute.
Goes on the rhinos.
Alright, we're heading to a 7-Eleven. We just got into our hotel. So we're gonna hit a 7-Eleven. These look kind of good. Room tour. This is the 2 beds we have. And we have a tiny little sink, kitchen sink, plus a microwave, and a fridge. And the view, oh my god, is a pool. Yeah. This is gonna be a little mukbang of my mochi strawberry ice cream.
Can I see?
And Annie eating her, what are you eating?
I'm eating my mandarin oranges.
That gives like
With
high
a
school,
light
middle
high-
school.
That's what I said too.
Oh.
It reminds me of elementary level vloggers.
I know.
Triple vlogging.
Triple vlogging. I never. Well, it's very hard. Oh, it's just like strawberry jam on the outside, and then when you dig into it, it's like chocolate ice cream. I'm not happy about this. I feel like there's too much going on. It's chocolate, and then you get the jam, and then you get the mochi. I actually personally don't really like mochi, but I thought this would be better.
Rate it out of 10.
Like 4.
That's really bad.
Pork bun over here.
Honestly, it's pretty good for like 7-Eleven. I would say.
Right.
Really? Going to
Now we're going to take pictures. Sunset pictures. Beach time.
Hopefully we find beach parking and then we just park there and walk to the restaurant.
Yeah, I agree. And then we can walk around after the beach.
No way. Like Foot Locker maybe. Hey.
I don't know. Gonna go to dinner.
It's across the road.
So pretty. We're at the beach. We're at the beach. It's so pretty. The sun already set, but it's okay. The background's still pretty. Dinner. This is the menu.
Smoothie though.
They do. Okay, wait. Sandwich.
I might get a smoothie. A slushy. Let's get it.
Huh? Oh. This tastes like a milkshake.
I like it.
I know.
I know.
Bouquet. Jennifer's coconut shrimp. My fish and chips. And Annie's burger. And she's trying to take her B-reel.
Oh my god, last time
A really long fry.
Coconut shrimp.
Fish.
I can't take myself seriously.
Food.
So good.
So good.
So good.
How's your burger?
Yummy.
We finished dinner. Are you going to the car right now? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're going to the car. Wow. So cool. It's so cute. But these flowers are cute though. You're so cute. This one is rainbowing. Tipsy but was crazy. It's $18. Hello. We just got back from dinner and it was really yummy. We're all really tired. We're kind of in line for a shower. Tomorrow is a shopping day. And then Wednesday is a ziplining day plus a little hike. Very outdoorsy. And then Thursday we leave. So yeah. I will update you guys tomorrow morning. I think we're all really tired from the flight today. So. Hi, we're in the car right now because we were gonna walk, but we realized that parking was free. Oh my god, these look so good. Wait, these butter mochi look so good. Hey, so pretty. Now I can see, it's not that bright. Acai bowl. I got acai bowl, butter mochi. They got poke. Yeah. Poke. This is in the flavor of tropical paradise. Tropical paradise? It's like pineapple, mango, something.
How much is the chain? The chain.
We're waiting on Annie.
She's peeping.
So good. Jennifer got strawberry.
Wait, that's like as big as our poke bowl.
Hello. I'm gonna walk around to see if there's snacks. I'm at the food court.
That's the right mentality.
I say that, but so we're going to the beach right now. I changed the pink dress for photos. Yeah, Jennifer has her sunglasses. She bought sunglasses at Uniqlo.
Yes, I did.
The wind is blowing in my face. This is the beach. So beautiful. Taking pictures. So pretty. We're heading to dinner.
I'm so excited!
Asian food. Again. Oh, Loki. Gonna do photo booth before dinner. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the themes. Behind the scenes. Cute. Wait, braised pork for dinner. Jennifer got the same thing, but the egg is uncooked. And then Annie over there eating noodle soup.
Ako barubat guys, so bye-bye.
Just finished dinner and we're gonna go check out a Miffy store. Miffy store. Cute.
Do you suck the chopstick holder?
Aww.
Fishy, stuff like that. Don't
Hello, we're at the ziplining place. Me and Annie never ziplined before. Kind of scared.
I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Wait.
It looks so silly. I look like a turtle.
Leaning back makes it goes faster.
Really?
I hate these new crackers. The rocks were so much better.
Okay, we're about to go on the bridge. Bridge
We can
time.
go together.
Okay, let's go together. Where's Jennifer? final stop for ziplining. We're gonna jump down. The views. Wow, we're at the food truck place.
We're gonna eat.
Yay, I'm so excited. There's so many places here. I'm gonna look around and see. We're getting Thai food. Okay, so I am going to get my sugarcane drink again. I love sugarcane drink. Ooh, I got pad thai. Jennifer got a burger. Looks really good. And you got
Patsiu.
passiu. Oh, we're walking to a waterfall.
Yeah. Got a college discount.
Yeah, $5.
I have to get a refund.
The view is really pretty. It's about a 30-minute walk.
30 minutes?
Yeah. Walking by the garden.
We're gonna go get shaved ice right now.
We're gonna get shaved ice, but we're gonna stop by Snoopy shop.
Chicken.
Huh? Oh, chicken? Go.
Where is this? I think it was like that side.
Ah, so cute. How much is it? It's raining all of a sudden.
And I'll do,
Peach
Yes.
and then smoking mochi.
Thank you.
Yeah, I didn't think the green tea would be good with the ice.
I like the telephone lights on the side too. It's like so like wow.
Should I turn the camera?
Where is that?
Oh, hi.
Dinner place. We're at a bar slash late night food place. Because everything is closed. It's currently 9:44. Yeah, we just ordered. So, hello kitty, we got a drink. You want to take the first sip? You can go ahead. That's not good. It tastes like cherry medicine. My food came. Hello. It's our last day in Hawaii.
Read the
Yes, the food truck.
What the hell? That was kind of.
Hello. We're breakfasting at the beach.
Annie.
Huh?
Oh. Hello.
We have our food. We are leaving. Bye bye. My friends are outside. I should probably go. Bye. Hi guys. This is the end of our trip. Almost the end. We're heading to the airport right now. Jennifer's flower looks so cute. So, anything to say, Annie?
Turn left onto Cross Street. Then turn left.
Bye, you sound so happy saying bye.
I'm feeling my ab workout.
I'm gonna say.
Oh. It was a great time.
Love and happiness.
On the plane.